Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore your Windows PIN code on Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So, in order to restore your PIN code, you have to tap I forgot my PIN underneath the PIN field. Tap right here, then wait a moment, and then you'll have two options of restoring your PIN code. So, if you are signed into your Microsoft account on this device, then you simply have to tap send code. If you have an account set up locally, then you have to answer one of the security questions. After answering one of the security questions, you'll be able to set up a new PIN for your device and continue using it. If you don't know answers to your security questions, then you're gonna have to unfortunately perform a factory reset operation and erase all of the files in order to get the access back to your tablet. We have a separate video on our channel titled how to install Windows 11 from USB on this device. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and check out that video on our channel. But basically, if you are still the first kind of user who has the Windows account or Microsoft account connected, tap send code, then check your email that is linked with your Microsoft account. Here you'll find your single-use code in the mail from Microsoft. You have to enter this code into this field, then tap sign in, then you have to tap continue, and then you're gonna have to set up a new PIN code for yourself. Enter it in the first field and confirm it in the second one, and make sure that you remember it this time. Then tap OK, and that's it. Right now you have your access back. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.